Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix shaders loading stuck at like 0% or any like number. It's just stuck at it and won't go up. And this has a very simple fix. The first thing that you guys can do is simply just restart the game. So just X out of the game and start it back up, check to see if that works. The second thing that you guys can do is restart your PC right after. You can that can also be a potential fix. And the third method you guys can try doing is, let's just say you go into multiplayer, for example. All you want to do is go back, go into zombies, or wait a few seconds and then go into zombies, and you'll notice that the loading, it does go up like a few. It goes like up 1 or 2%. So basically, if you just go back, wait like a minute or two, you go back into multiplayer or whatever campaign, probably not multiplayer, you'll notice that it does fix and the shaders loading starts to go up and up and up until it reaches 100. You can also do the same thing by just going back and going into Warzone as well instead of, multiplayer zombies, but either or works. And yeah, once you do all of these things, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.